Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to turn off the notifications for emails like that so that when you're doing a Zoom session, you don't have like a email that maybe your students or parents shouldn't see or like have it recorded, like something from DCF or maybe something about IPs, things like that. So what you're going to do is on the bottom right corner, click the up arrow, then click on Outlook, and you're going to right click on it. So right click on that and then uncheck Show New Email Desktop Alert. So uncheck that. I also as a precaution, I also unchecked Show Microsoft Exchange Messages just in case that's something weird where someone in my district could still send an email in a special format and that alert might pop up. Just in case, I turn that off just to be safe. And then now, if I send an email to myself, I won't get that notification anymore. So I'm just going to my phone and forwarding this email to myself. Also, if you just want to turn it on and off for meetings, then you could use that button. Or if you just want to turn it off and leave it off, now you know how to do it. So I just hit forward, and when I go to my email, there it is right there, what I just emailed, and nothing popped up here on the bottom right. Okay, so I hope you found that helpful, and feel free to check out my YouTube channel or Twitter for other tips and tricks.